4 years ago, if I showed you a picture of me standing next to a lion, a real lion, you would have been like, where is this? Is this real? How did you even do that? Because it would have been rare. It would have had value. Today, it's just another picture. Because now anyone can generate that in 30 seconds. Even in Photoshop, to do this exact same thing, you'll have to spend like 30 minutes, and a prompt can do that in just 10-20 seconds. Then this is like an AI woman I created, and she's hyper realistic, perfect skin, perfect lighting, perfect symmetry, and I literally found this prompt on a random subreddit, not some secret underground lab. Reddit. And then there is YouTube. So I used to save these tutorials because I used to think like initially, okay, this is like so amazing. You can make AI influencers and you can make ads with them. But hundreds of videos like these ones, these are the ones.
Today we'll make an animated AI influencer because people are
You
already
didn't even
making-
realize, but I'm
You decided.
completely AI generated.
I will show you how to.
Holy fuck. So I used to just save these tutorials for later that I'll watch them someday. But this is how many tutorials I have. Hundreds of videos. Create AI influencers for free. Make $100,000 a month with an AI girl. So it is technically possible to make a lot of money with these things. And that is because there are a lot of like local businesses who have not been exposed to AI right now. And when they see that, okay, they can make an ad for their business for a very low price with AI, they would be very interested. But beyond a workflow, like all these prompts, you will need to be a good salesman. Like you need to approach these businesses, show them your stuff, do your marketing, run ads. In short, you'll need to spend like 8 to 10 hours a day on something, and eventually you'll start making money. If you would put 8 to 10 hours a day into something, into anything for that matter, for a good amount of time, you would be successful in it. Like that's how things work. Like you could put 8 to 10 hours a day into making apps, AI apps. You can be successful there. You can put 8 to 10 hours a day into fitness and become a trainer. You will be successful there, right? I mean, you can be successful at anything if you put 8 to 10 hours a day. So it is not entirely wrong that you can make $10,000 a month with these things. You can. And one of those comment guide and I'll DM you. Those kind of posts. I have a lot of them in my DMs right now. Everybody is selling you the same playbook. So let's just pause. If everyone has the same prompts, the same workflows, the same hyper-realistic AI woman holding the same product, what happens next? So let us talk basic economics. When supply goes up, value goes down. And right now, the supply of perfect AI humans is exploding. You don't need skills, you don't need a personality, heck, you don't even need a face, you just need a prompt and a few dollars. And when perfection becomes mass-produced, perfection becomes normal. And when perfection becomes normal, it becomes invisible. We're about to enter a phase where your entire feed is like AI girls selling skincare, AI entrepreneurs selling courses, AI gurus giving life advice, and AI fitness coaches with genetically impossible bodies. All optimized, all aesthetic, all fake. And eventually, your brain stops caring. Here is the twist nobody's talking about. When fake becomes infinite, real becomes scarce. Think about it. If you know that this guy is just some random AI generated man holding a product, does it really convince you, or does it just look impressive for like 3 seconds? And now imagine a real person, slightly imperfect lighting, slightly imperfect skin, real voice, real hesitation, real opinions, although like the script is generated by ChatGPT, but you get the point. Real experiences, that hits different, because in a world full of synthetic perfection, authenticity becomes the luxury item. And this is where I am conflicted, because I know how to build this stuff. I literally showed you how easy it is. I mean, if you want to do it for free, I saw this channel Planet AI. I mean, I don't know who this guy is, but he literally showed a free tutorial to make these influencers, and you can watch it. It's just 3 minutes. And I know a little bit of coding. I know how to init and server. I could automate 10 AI influencers tomorrow, but the question is, would that actually build something valuable in the long term? Or would it just be riding a temporary arbitrage wave? Because trends are cycles, and right now we are in AI is crazy, and next phase would be AI is normal, and the next phase after that, okay, but who is actually real? And the people who survive that phase are the ones who would actually build trust. It's easier than ever to create AI humans, it's cheaper than ever, it's almost free, it's literally free, and that's exactly why it's going to lose value. And when everybody can generate perfection on demand, perfection becomes cheap and reality becomes premium. And when that shift happens, the people who choose to stay real, they win. Give me a closing line, ChatGPT. Anyways, guys, that's it for this one. I just wanted to put this out there before, internet gets weird. I mean, it's already very weird, but, it's gonna get weirder. The real question is, when everyone can, fake a personality, who are you going to trust? And I can answer that for you. The person you're going to trust is me, because I am not going to put any...
Subscribe to
Sushantium.